keep learning, grow with Nemo.
Bags are packed, shoes on tight. Let's go travel, what a sight. Hold my hand, come explore a busy place we've not seen before. Look around, what do we see? Big glass doors and lights so free. Cars and buses stop and go. Welcome to the place we know. Rolling bags go round and round. Wheels go click, click on the ground. People smile and walk along. Airport day is moving strong. Tickets ready, line up slow. Checking counters, say hello. Bags go up, tags go on. Getting ready to move along. Beep, 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 what's that sound? Security checks all around. Hands up high, walk on through. All done now, good job you. Sit and wait in comfy rows. Screens tell where the airplane goes. Waiting calm, waiting nice. Following rules once or twice. Gate numbers shine, hear the call. Time to board, let's stand tall. Ticket scan, step by step. New adventures coming next. Big airplane with wings so wide. Engines hum, ready to glide. Window seat, clouds inside. Flying feels like pure delight. Up in the sky so blue and bright. Clouds like cotton, soft and white. Travel fun from ground to air. Airports take us everywhere.
Thanks for watching, keep learning and growing with Nemo.